Some DV lottery directions could confuse even the neatest folks. Really, there are solely two important necessities for participation within the Inexperienced Card Lottery: your start nation and training/work expertise. We already talked in regards to the nation is one of many earlier articles, and now we wish to focus in additional element on training/work expertise. So, what are the necessities for training or work expertise for participation within the DV lottery program? There are two choices. It's essential to have both: A high school training, or equal training to the American high school training with a 12-year lengthy period, or B, not lower than 2 years of labor expertise over the past 5 years in an occupation that requires at the very least 2 years of coaching or expertise. Many individuals suppose that it's crucial to fulfill each necessity. It's mistaken. It's good to qualify just for one in each of them, not each. When you've got work expertise, you don't must have training. Additionally, there may be one other widespread false impression that every one grown-up relations, derivatives, included within the type lottery type additionally want to fulfill these necessities. Don't fear. These necessities are just for important individuals, those that submit a DV lottery software. Training necessities for the Variety Visa Lottery. Reaching high-quality immigration circulate to the U.S. is the principal motive for this requirement. As a result of the immigrants are from all around the world, it's crucial to determine some stage within the USA phrases that may be in comparison with different international locations. It is very important to know which training is equal to U.S. high school training. The time period high school is complicated as a result of it might imply various things in several international locations. This stage really means that you've got graduated from a high school and are certified to enter a college, school. We've collected data with U.S. high school diploma equivalents for various international locations, so you may simply discover and perceive in case your training meets the necessities. What in regards to the greater training requirement for the Inexperienced Card Lottery? Usually, there's a misunderstanding amongst those that have a bachelor's/grasps diploma. Do you want additionally a high school diploma? Right, here isn't any particular reply. As a result, in some international locations, it's attainable to acquire a bachelor's/grasps diploma without having completed 12 years of elementary and secondary training. After all, it's affordable to imagine that a bachelor's diploma can compensate for an unfinished 12-year stage. However, U.S. consular officers could also be formal about seeing the high school stage proof. Does vocational training qualify for the DV lottery program? Vocational training doesn't qualify for the Inexperienced Card Lottery. In the event you left the college and studied in a vocational program similar to plumbing or nursing, the time spent in that vocational coaching/training doesn't qualify for the tutorial necessities. Hopefully, this text lets you perceive extra about academic necessities for participation within the lottery, and within the subsequent article, we are going to focus extra on work necessities. Do you want any cash within the checking account? Do you want a job to provide? Wanted age? Wanted language expertise? And extra. Within the earlier article, we wrote about the main necessities for participating within the DV lottery program. Right this moment we need to speak about very further standards. Monetary necessities for the range visa lottery. Additional requirements for the green card lottery. One of many huge questions: do I want a sure amount of cash within the checking account? If sure, then how a lot, and the way do I have to show my monetary well-being? The reply isn't any. There aren't any monetary necessities for the DV lottery software and neither for visa issuance. However, you need to perceive that you just want cash to maneuver to the USA. Minimal age and English degree expertise for participation within the DV lottery. Folks of any age can participate in the lottery, although the minimal academic necessities, which we described intimately within the earlier article, successfully disqualify those that are below 18 generally. Additionally, there aren't any necessities for English language information. You don't have to talk, learn, or write English to participate in the lottery. However, residing within the USA without English is fairly arduous, so you need to begin studying it in case you don't converse it adequately. Present standing, kinfolk, and different standards. Will DV Lottery 2023 be held in 2021? Even in case you are already in the US below one of many visa sorts, however, you might be nonetheless not an inexperienced card holder, then you might be eligible for the DV Lottery. You should have a job within the US, and also you don't want a job to provide by an American employer. You do not want to have kinfolk in the USA, and you probably have them, it doesn't matter. So, you shouldn't have any particular issues, cash, kinfolk, and so forth. All you want is to satisfy the primary qualifications as an immigrant we talked about intimately previously. Article, a nation of delivery, training degree, or work expertise. 5 common mistakes made by green card lottery participants. Additionally, don't neglect that one of many widespread causes for disqualification is an incorrect photograph.